After about 3 years of having my Spirit XT485 folding treadmill, I'm still really loving it. Here's the display. It shows what muscles you're working, your heart rate, time, distance, incline, and all of that good stuff. And you can adjust all of that from the display here on the front. And there are also some preloaded programs on this machine, which are nice. There's a plug for your music, and there's also a fan. I really like that on the handles, you can adjust your speed and incline without having to reach up, which is really helpful if you're going really hard. And there are the heart rate monitors there on the handles, and there's also a safety stop. There are plenty of cup holders and trays to hold whatever you need while you are working out. The side rails on either side of the belt are metal and extremely sturdy. Here's how this treadmill looks and sounds at 12 miles per hour. So 12 miles per hour is the max speed. Here you can see me adjusting using the hand adjusters, the incline to the maximum of 15. And here is what that 15 incline looks like. And if you go to the front of the machine, that is where you're going to find the on off switch and the area where you put the plug in. So it's 120 volts AC with a simple on and off switch. And what's really cool about this treadmill is that it folds. There's a little button on the side underneath. You simply press that down while you lift with the other hand, and this treadmill folds up really easily. And here is what it looks like from the side. It folds up nice and flat. And there's a piston action on the folding mechanism of this. So that's what helps it to fold easily and also to release and come back to flattened out pretty easily as well. To do that, you just pull the lever again and it will lay itself out flat once more. This comes with a few accessories as well. There's a heart rate monitor, um, oil for oiling the belt, and some tools to help you do that, and a plug for the audio portion. I recommend this treadmill 100% to anyone who wants a very sturdy, high quality, I would say gym quality treadmill in their home.